Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding an exact date written in front of you. It's not a prediction, it's not a possibility. It's the exact day you're going to die, the year, the month, the day. The question is, would you live your life the same way? At first glance, it might seem like an advantage. If you knew you were going to live to be 90, maybe you'd live more calmly, you'd take more risks, you'd travel more, you'd do things you put off today out of fear. But now imagine the opposite. Discovering that your death date is much closer than you thought. How would your decisions change? In psychology, there is a theory called terror management theory. This theory explains that when human beings become aware of their own mortality, our behavior changes. Studies show that when people think about death, they value their relationships more, seek more purpose in life, shift their priorities. But something else also happens. Constantly thinking about death can increase anxiety, stress, and psychological pressure. Knowing exactly when you're going to die could completely transform the way you experience time. But here's a major problem. From a scientific perspective, predicting the exact date of a person's death is practically impossible because human life depends on many unpredictable variables. Your genetics, your decisions, your environment, and above all, the risks you are exposed to every day. For example, lifestyle dramatically changes the probabilities. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, little sleep, or a poor diet increases the risk of serious illness. There are also environmental risks, air pollution, dangerous environments, natural disasters, and then there are accidents, which are one of the leading causes of death in young people. Traffic accidents, serious falls, fires. Added to this are biological factors and diseases such as heart problems, cancer, or terminal illnesses. Each of these variables constantly changes the probabilities. Therefore, from a scientific perspective, life is not a fixed line. It's a system full of uncertainty. And maybe here lies the most interesting part of it all. Perhaps not knowing when we are going to die isn't a mistake of nature. Perhaps it's precisely what gives life meaning. Because if we knew the exact ending, many decisions would cease to be a mystery. But today, every day we live has something unique, an opportunity, a possibility, a moment that we don't know how long will last. And maybe that uncertainty is exactly what makes life worth living. So let me ask you something. If you could know the exact date of your death, would you really want to know?